Today we need a flat top grill, charcoal. Say charcoal 10 times, it just doesn't sound right. Charcoal. If you're gonna replicate one of my burgers, make it this one. This is that good, it should be illegal. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best chicken smash burgers. While we're here, we might as well give the video a like. It helps me out a lot and it'll get your good deed of the day done and out of the way. Now just sit back, grab a drink or two and let's get into it. Sauce is an integral part of any burger. We need to think about the protein we are using and pair it up with flavors that are going to complement that meat. Into a bowl, put 3/4 of a cup of mayo. To that, we're going to add 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of honey. Just stir this up and then put it aside. Pretty easy so far. Now put the pen down. All the ingredients are listed in the description. Smash burgers need a fatty type of meat for taste and to hold together on the grill. Now, chicken doesn't have a lot of fat. That's why I dropped into Gippsland Premium Meats and asked them to mince me up some chicken thighs. And I said, can you chuck in a little bit of extra fat for me? As always, just one pass on the coarse setting through their grinder was enough. My only work was I weighed it out into 100-gram balls. That's it, prep done. Get to know your local butcher and they'll look after you. We are gonna need a few more ingredients to make these burgers up. Buns, I went with brioche because they are soft and sweet. Cheese, I'm using Colby because it pairs really nice with chicken. Seasoning, just going with some good old kosher salt. I'll also add some baby kush lettuce because I love the crunch and freshness it brings to the party. What party, you ask? The one that's about to happen in your mouth. We need a flat top grill today. Charcoal, cast iron pan, or a gas top cooker. It doesn't matter as long as it's flat. I'm using my FT400 flat top Weber grill today. Just turn on the liquid charcoal and give the grill 10 minutes to warm up. 10 minutes isn't long, but it's long enough to grab another drink. What else do we need to make a smash burger? A burger smasher would be good. I tend to also use some baking paper. It stops the patties from sticking. Some oil for the grill. I tend to use avocado oil. And a big spatula. Comes in handy. It's a lot easier than using your fingers. Now, hopefully by now you've subscribed to my channel. And while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button is going to allow you to be notified every time I upload a new video. Today we are cooking with a high direct heat. And our cook's only going to take about 5 to 6 minutes. Or for those of you who like to follow my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Look, you can sneak in another one. I won't tell. The hot plate is hot and ready right now. How hot you are so, lick it. If you scream, it's hot enough. We just want to add a bit of oil to the grill. Now place the burger patties on that grill and that sizzle, that's what you want to hear. Give them a good seasoning of kosher salt. Now using the baking paper and the burger smasher, squash them down. And I like to do them both twice just to make sure you got them nice and flat. Once you see a bit of fluid pooling on the top, you know that's time to flip the patties. And add our cheese and toast the buns a little bit. Buns don't need long, so you can get them off. So while the cheese is still melting, let's get our burger bun ready. And we'll put a bit of our honey mustard mayo on the bottom bun. And we'll add some of that baby kush lettuce to the top. And we just have to add our double meat, double cheese patties to the top of that. Add some more of our sauce and give that a lid. Did you know there's a Schueys BBQ Facebook page and an Instagram account? You do now. I mean, how good does that look? Well, there's only one thing left to do. As always, cheers for watching.